What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SOFI stock. Guys, we are literally one trading day away from the SOFI earnings. We have Monday, our last trading day, boom, Tuesday pre-market. The SOFI earnings are going to drop, and institutions all across the world are sitting there with a microscope waiting to see the numbers. And I'm telling you right now, guys, if the numbers are what these institutions want to see, we are going to see institutional ownership skyrocket from 45% over 55% or higher, because we're also hitting 4 quarters in a row of gap profitability at the exact same time, on top of 17 to 18% short interest. The shorts have not covered it all the last 3 months of this run up. Guys, I'm telling you right now, there is so much fuel in the tank for this stock to skyrocket to levels that we couldn't imagine, okay? We have a 3-year high coming up, $11.70. That just shows you how terrible the price action on SoFi stock has been. It can't even clear 1170 the past 3 years with literally 12 straight triple B earnings, guys. The company has executed flawlessly. Increased guidance, increased guidance, increased guidance, and Wall Street did not want to pay up. But guys, guess what? It's time for Wall Street to finally pay up, because we're going to be stealing all of the money from these short sellers that got extremely greedy and continued to short when the macro started to turn. We got the 50-point basis rate cut, and things are starting to look a lot better with delinquencies also coming down. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is going to be a blowout quarter, but it's not going to be anywhere near what's going to happen for the Q4 quarter. The Q4 quarter guidance is going to be something out of a fairy tale book. You're going to see numbers you couldn't imagine, okay? I believe SoFi will easily clear $700 million plus in the back end of Q4. That's a $2.8 billion run rate. The guidance right now for analysts on Wall Street is $2.8 billion. So if they just have the exact same quarter of Q4 and don't grow, I'm talking 0% growth every single quarter for 2024, that's going to get us to $2.8 billion in revenue. That is how much of a disconnect there is on Wall Street with these analysts and what the company is actually doing. I'm telling you right now, there's going to be tons of Wall Street analysts, losing their jobs potentially because of, the lack of, due diligence that these guys have done. So guys, we're going to be covering a lot of things in this video. I'm going to be covering, what type of price action I think we can see after earnings, the valuation we're looking at compared to other, fintech lenders on the market right now, what the multiple could be by the end of 2024. We're talking about Christmas time, how high this stock could be. And guys, if you've been following the YouTube channel, I've been covering this bad boy for 3.5 years, and I never sold out, to any type of, hype on YouTube, meme stocks, the GameStop, AMC hype, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, any of those, okay? I stuck to my roots. I didn't worry about any crazy amount of, viewership hype I was going to get on my YouTube channel. And now if you look at the YouTube channel, we have literally the best engagement out of, all the YouTube channels that I've seen, guys. I mean, we have 18,000 subscribers and we're pulling 15,000 views. That's like an 80% plus engagement rate right now we got going on, guys. This is crazy what I'm experiencing on this YouTube channel, and I have to thank you guys, because I think this is just beginning, guys. This is going to be an amazing investment. You have an amazing management, steering the boat, okay, leading us to the promised land. These guys, what are they there for? They are there to make money. They have stock. They want to see their stock go up. That is it. What do they need to do? They need to turn this into a profitability machine, growing at 20 to 30% for the next 5 to 10 years. That's all we need to see happen. And this is going to be an absolutely insane investment over the next couple of years. And for those of you that are playing the short term, this is going to be an amazing investment by the end of 2024. 2 months left, guys. This is what we've been waiting for. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video to 1,500 likes for an all-time high. Don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 20,000 subs. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, look at the price action we just closed out on Friday. We know that we hit 52-week highs in the pre-market, and it came back down, finishing right under that $11 mark, down to the penny, trying to expire as many calls as possible. This is the market makers putting in their, last breath that they can finish, guys. I did a poll. I put 4 price targets out, so I had a 4% chance of getting it right. And of course, the 1099 was on the poll, and that hit. So that's crazy. We could just put out, number projections and, a 4% chance of hitting, and this is what we get, guys. It just shows you we know what the market makers like to do, guys. They like to kill the stock at the last second, but SoFi was still one of the only companies to finish green. It just shows you the strength that we've had the past couple of weeks. Take a look right here, guys. 14 out of 18 green days. Look at the price action the last 18 days, guys. Almost 4 trading weeks in a row. Just look at this, guys. You're barely seeing red. You're seeing crazy, crazy support, crazy, crazy strength, crazy dip buying. And I'm telling you right now, if we get the blowout earnings that I expect we will have, you are going to see 14 out of 18 green days in a row. You're going to see the exact same type of price action for the next, 2 months or so. Okay. That is what I think is going to happen if we get the type of earnings that I'm expecting, which is going to be a triple beat guidance raise, and the numbers are going to be a blowout across the board, net income, profitability, jump up, everything, guys. But there's going to be one metric in there that's going to blow away Wall Street, and we just have to wait to find out. All right, guys, we're going to cover this one more time because we continue to get so many new people to the YouTube channel. Just take a look at the top 10 whales inside of the SoFi stock right now. Vanguard, BlackRock, Silver Lake, State Street, Geode Capital, Morgan Stanley, ARK, Norges, Dimensional, Sumitomo. Literally 8 out of 10 increase going off of the Q2 earnings. Just look right here, the change in shares. You can see everyone increased besides ARK and Silver Lake kept it, the same, okay? So 8 out of 10 increase off that Q2 earnings, which I believe were decent, okay? If we get the 4 quarters in a row of profitability, you're going to start seeing some serious ads, guys. I'm talking 20, 30% or more for some of the top fives, okay? And this stock is going to have crazy institutional ownership support, and we're going to go a lot higher. I've been putting out price targets on the Twitter, YouTube, guys. I think this stock fair value right now should be trading at $16, okay? That is fair value. That is nothing, stretched at all or, crazy, crazy valuation, guys. If you just take a look at a simple price to sales multiple, you can see the SoFi stock is trading at a price to sales going off of their revenue of 4.7x. Of course, there's other factors that you need to factor in, such as, growth rates, because, that's going to get, your, price to sales increase dramatically. But, a lot of these other companies that we're looking at, they haven't had, more durable growth as SoFi as well. You have a firm right now trading at a 5.4x price to sales. Revenue is near the same, but they have better growth rates because, they had such bad years, the previous years, but they are still trading at almost, 1 times price to sales higher on a multiple basis compared to SoFi. And then you have a Upstart trading at an 8.3 times price to sales with literally 2% growth going on in 2024, while SoFi is putting up 22% growth. So you can see the stretch valuation on an Upstart. And then you have a new bank, this is a foreign bank, this isn't in the United States. This is Brazil, trading at a 10 times price to sale. Absolutely insane growing company, but you also have the risk not being a American based company. There's a lot of things that can go on, government related and stuff like that. So this could be a much higher valuation if it was in America. So guys, I do believe new banks should trade at a 10 times price of sales going off of their profitability and growth rates. Absolutely insane, even with how large the company is. But with SoFi, out of all 4 companies that we looked at, the lowest price to sales multiple, does that make sense at all? Should we be trading at a 5.4 like a firm or a 8 times sales like an Upstart? You just take SoFi right now, not even looking at it as a new bank's 10 times or an Upstart 8 times, and just give it a little bit higher multiple than a firm at a 6 times price of sales, seeing a firm's not even profitable yet, still losing $50 million. If you take their 2024 revenue of $2.5 billion and put it on that price of sales multiple of 6, that gives you $15 billion in market cap. And the shares outstanding are right around 1 billion and 60 million. So that would be like a $14.70, 80-cent stock. So almost a $15 stock, just going off of that simple 6 times price to sales, lower than Nubank, lower than Upstart, slightly higher than a firm, guys. This is a extremely justified valuation of $15, and that's why I'm giving it a $16 price target before the Q3 earnings even comes out. If I see something out of this world, like, potential 30, 35% growth rates for 2025, we're going to be trading at much higher multiple than 6 times next year, maybe a 8 times or a 9 times or something like that. But I'm just telling you right now, at $11, the stock is still undervalued of about, $3, $4. And once again, like I told you guys on my YouTube channel, I stuck to my roots. I stuck to the due diligence and continue to pump out SoFi content for you guys the past 3 years. Views were very stagnant, and, I didn't fall into any of the meme hype hype, AMC, GameStop, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, any of those companies, and I just continue to pump out the content, guys. And these are the people that just continue to talk crap. You can see this guy. Really? You still pumping this shit? Laugh out loud. Make it to $10 or $15 at best, and that will take years, in my opinion. Guys, that was on September 17th, 6 weeks ago. This guy's talking about $10, years and years out. I think the stock is trading at $7 to $8, when this post came out or whatever, his tweet. And look at that, guys, we're at $11. So you can see there's tons and tons of people out there that think they're smart, and in reality, they're not. I have another 25 of these people that continue to try to doubt me, continue to try and doubt the SoFi stock. You just need to stick to your due diligence. Salty asses. SoFi will never move below 5 soon. Clowns. This is at the beginning of the year. SoFi was probably trading at the, $6, $7 level like it's been the past year. And, these people just don't comprehend what investing truly is, okay? Like I said, there's dozens and dozens and dozens of these that I have, bookmarked that I can post, but I just don't want to do that. I'm just telling you right now, the story can change extremely fast, and I believe the story is just getting started. Once again, guys, my fair value price target is $16. If things get out of this world, this could be a $20 stock, heading into the new year next year. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.